Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Usimbut Menteri Rangba Kajila oba Prestone Tynsong ulapan pau baka Sarkar Meghalaya kalala bante lakam ya karung kami kibriu ki ba omdan kot omdan sernon lani ki ba omla ban ithu khamtam hagithan khaput barka Assam. Kani ka jingkran jong ba Prestone kawan hadien baka Sarkar Assam kalashim ka sinjam ban kendang bat pinpra yaki ying basa bean hagi jaka khaput jong ka jila Assam kabalak ta ru yaki briu ki basyong basa hagite ki jaka. Uba Prestone ula ongru ba ka Sarkar Meghalaya ka persyang ban pet ngor bahalor ka jingyat bean ki briu ki bawan rung sya ka jila. Bar kaladan ru ki sinjam ki baskem hakaput kum ka jingpen khan ki polis chargin bar ka jing trailang ba ki Pyntreikam ula pensyai ba ka Sarkar kamsyon la aila di kinu ki barung bean bar la dalam on shimpiano dagaan.
I've seen even myself, I've seen today the statement raised by the Honorable LO, leader of Dr. Mukul Sangma, and blaming the government that we like people of the state. So let me just tell you one thing. See, we are the only government who brought in the official resolution for demanding to the government of India for implementation of ILP. And during Dr. Mukul's time, he never wanted to implement ILP at all. And he cannot blame us that we are lying the people of the state. I should inform you that we are dedicated and the pursuing of this pending issue is in our brain, is in our blood. Our Honorable Chief Minister, whenever he's in Delhi, he pursues this matter, and we keep pressurizing and following it up with the Ministry of Home Affairs that they should consider the resolution passed by the Assembly.
But
when we met them, as I said to you, I think we met them not less than 10-15 times in a year. Till today, when we met, they said they are examining the issue. Both, not only for ILP, even for the age schedule, the languages of the state, both Khasi and Garo. So, but we still keep reminding them, we still keep following up with them, and I'm sure one day, I think this issue will have to be known. If they don't give, tell us frankly that you don't, or if you give also, please tell us that yes, we are going to consider both the resolution. But let me tell you one thing from the government side, it is not that we are lying, it's not that we are sleeping, but we are pursuing this matter very aggressively. There's no such option made by the government of India. Never at all. We never have that kind of option. As I said to you, see, 6th schedule is different issue altogether, and then ILP is different issue altogether.